If you were in this situation, where someone suddenly falls down and you don't know what is wrong, what would you do first? Would you call emergency services immediately? Try to help the person? Or ask people around you for help?
Imagine this is real life, and you only have a few seconds to decide. Write your answer in the comments. In English, we want to see how you would react in this emergency situation.
Wow, Jonah, today feels really, really nice. The air feels fresh, the weather feels soft. I really like mornings like this. They make me feel calm and peaceful.
Yes, I feel the same. It's a very quiet morning. Not too many people, not too much noise, just a calm place. I like coming here to relax and to think.
Look over there. People are walking slowly. Some people are jogging. Some people are just sitting. Everything feels normal. Everything feels safe. Everything feels peaceful.
Yes, it feels like a perfect morning. Nothing is wrong. Everything is okay.
Oh, wait, Jonah, wait. Did you see that? I think something just happened.
Yes, I saw it. That man, he just fell down. He fell very suddenly.
He fell down, just like that. He didn't sit down. He didn't slow down. He just fell.
Yes, it happened very fast. Too fast.
That doesn't look normal. It doesn't feel right. Jonah, look carefully. Please look carefully. He is still on the ground. He is not moving.
Yes, I'm looking. You're right. He is not moving. Not even a little.
He is not moving. He is not sitting up. He is not trying to stand.
Yes, and he is not looking around. He is not reacting.
Jonah, do you think he is okay? Or do you think something is wrong?
I think something is wrong. This is not normal. People don't just fall and stay still.
Maybe he is tired. Or maybe he is sick. Or maybe something serious happened.
We don't know, but we need to check. We can't just stand here and watch. We can't just stand here and watch.
Yes, you're right. We should go. Let's go together. I don't want to go alone.
Yes, we go together. Slowly, carefully. Sir? Hello, sir? Can you hear me? Sir, please open your eyes.
Sir, excuse me. Are you okay? Can you hear us? Can you say something? He is not answering. He is not saying anything.
Let me try again. Sir? Hello? Can you hear me?
He is not answering. He is not moving. He is not opening his eyes.
Yes, he is not responding. Maybe he cannot hear us. Maybe he is unconscious.
Unconscious? That sounds serious.
Yes, it can be serious.
Jonah, I don't feel good. I feel scared.
I understand. I feel worried too, but we need to stay calm.
I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Should we help him? How do we help him?
Listen, the first thing we should do is call emergency services. They know what to do. They can help him.
Should we call now? Or should we wait a little?
No, don't wait. We should call now. We should call immediately.
Okay, I will call, but I feel very nervous.
That's okay. It's normal to feel nervous. Just speak slowly. Just speak clearly.
Okay. Speak slowly. Okay. Okay, I'm calling now. Please answer. Please answer.
Emergency services? How can I help you?
Hello. Hello. I need help. Please, I need help.
Okay, I understand. Stay calm. Tell me what happened.
We are in a park. A man fell down. He is on the ground and he is not moving.
Okay, a man fell down and he is not moving. I understand.
Yes, he fell down and now he is not moving.
You are doing well. Stay on the line with me. I will help you.
Okay, I will stay. I will not hang up.
You're doing great. Keep talking.
Emergency services? What is your emergency?
Hello? Yes, I need help. I need emergency help. There is a man in the park and something is wrong. Very wrong.
Okay, I am here to help you. Stay calm. Tell me slowly what is happening.
Okay, I will stay calm. I will speak slowly. A man is in the park. He suddenly fell down. He is on the ground. He is not moving. He is still lying there.
He fell suddenly. He did not get up. He is still on the ground, not moving at all.
Okay, I understand. A man fell and he is not moving. I need your exact location. Where are you?
We are in a park. Green Park.
Green Park? Where in Green Park exactly?
Near the entrance. We are near the main gate. I see a big entrance sign and a walking path.
Yes, near the main gate, near the front entrance. There is a big path and a tree nearby.
Okay, near the main gate, Green Park. Good. Now I need you to check something important. Is he breathing?
Okay, I will check. I will check now.
I will check his breathing. One moment. Yes, he is breathing, but very slowly. Very weak breathing.
He is breathing, but slowly. Very slowly.
Okay, that is important. Thank you. Do not move him too much. Keep him lying flat. Stay with him.
Do not move him. Keep him flat. Stay with him.
We are staying with him. We're not leaving him.
We are here. Please stay with us, Jonah. I feel very nervous. My hands are shaking. I don't know what will happen. I feel scared.
It's okay. Stay calm. Breathe slowly. We are doing the right thing. We called for help. We called for help.
But it feels so serious. It feels like something bad.
Yes, but help is coming. Help is already on the way.
Jonah, wait. He moved. I saw him move.
Yes, I see it. He moved his hand a little.
He moved. He moved. That means he is still alive.
Yes, that is a good sign. A very good sign.
Hello. He moved. He moved his hand a little.
That is good. Keep him calm. Do not leave him.
Keep him calm. Do not leave him. Okay.
What happened? Is he okay?
He fell suddenly. He is not fully conscious.
Did you call emergency services?
Yes, we called. They are coming now.
Good. You did the right thing.
It feels like a long time. Why is it taking so long? Why is it taking so long?
Emergency services take time, but they are coming.
They are coming. They are coming.
Yes, just stay calm, stay here with him.
Jonah, I hear something. I hear sirens.
Yes, that is the ambulance. They are very close now.
Ambulance is coming. Ambulance is coming.
What happened here? Tell me quickly.
He suddenly fell down. He was not moving.
We called emergency services. We stayed with him.
Good. You did the right thing. Stay back now. Is he breathing now?
Yes, he is breathing slowly.
Okay, that helps us a lot.
He moved a little before you came.
Good information. Thank you. Now, please step back. Give us space.
Okay, we are stepping back now.
Do you need anything else from us?
No, thank you. You helped a lot.
He is awake. He opened his eyes. He opened his eyes.
Yes, he is waking up now.
He is awake. He is awake.
You did the right thing. You called fast. That helped him.
I feel so relieved now. I feel much better.
We stayed calm, we called emergency, we followed instructions.
We stayed calm. We called for help. We saved time.
Yes, and that is what matters most. If you were in this situation, what would you say to the emergency operator? Write your answer in the comments and try to repeat, "Stay calm, help is coming." If you want more real-life English stories with Jonah and Elena, subscribe.